Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you for tuning in to my 3060th edition of Short Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, OMNIX traders, fans from across the globe. Remember how risky trading is? Please know this: risky, risky, risky. You know why there's risk involved in trading? Because you can get caught in something that just doesn't stop going in the wrong direction on you, and it can just go on forever. Last night we got in the trade. Omni got us long S&P. We got in. The market news came out at about 8:30 Eastern PM last night, whatever the news was. Market went all the way down, hit the stops, went back up. But later on in the day, the market continued and just kept going. And had you not had that stop in, it would have been even worse. Always put your protective stops in. You never know how far these market moves can go. Do not trade without protective stops. You're looking at the Dow Jones E-mini, or I should say the YM, the Dow Jones Daily Bar, the YM. Here's an interesting thing going on. We got an Omni sell signal, and it fell out of the channel. You see the channel? Channel hold. Look at all the arrows that show you where it keeps the market in check inside the channel. And boom, that's different. Combined with an Omni sell signal means we're getting a sell signal. I've been actually worried about these buy signals the Omni's been giving me the last few days, wondering when it would give me a sell signal. Here we are, sell signal, and I believe in that signal. Now, at the same time, you'd like to say, well, I don't know, Oscar, wouldn't you call, let's see if we can just grab a quick trend line. Wouldn't you call this some kind of a flag? Yeah. I don't know what it is. This is some kind of a flag sitting up here. But for now, we're not at the top or bottom of that flag, so we don't know what to call it. We'll get the flag thoughts out of our mind, and instead, we're going to look at the obvious. We have an Omni sell signal, and we fell out of the channel. That's your Dow Jones. Let's go look at another. This is for trading on Friday, by the way. Russell 2000, it got above the double top, right? Boom, top one, top two, gets above, no problem, gets above, even higher. And boom, we get a sell signal right here. So I'm wondering, are the markets finally going to pay respect to the big old double top sitting here? Top one, top two, in NASDAQ and S&P and Russell, all over the place. Double tops, no respect has been shown for them. Now that we're getting an Omni sell signal, maybe, just maybe, we're going to see that respect paid on Friday. We will take it one day at a time. What else should we be looking at out there? Look at this. Capitulation has taken place. This is your Dow Jones Transportation Average Daily Bar Chart. That, my friends, is what you call capitulation. Anybody can call it anything they want. If you know how good I am at this, this is capitulation, kids. You've seen capitulation in other videos of mine, and it's been right. This is a capitulation call. Transportation average has had its moment. So, transportation average has had its moment. It's coming back to earth. And we're getting an Omni sell signal in NASDAQ, Russ, and ES. I guess we have to expect a down day for Friday, or at least we're going to start off that way. Then if we go back here and we take a look at this, you know, traders, this bond chart doesn't help anyone in the world. These are our 30-year bonds. This determines our interest rates. When bonds go down, interest rates go up automatically, even if Jerome Powell or the Fed doesn't touch rates. When bonds go up, interest rates automatically go down. Bonds have been going down. A little bit of upward movement here, but it looks to me like a big bear flag, which wouldn't possibly help the stock market much. So I'm going to say that's a good signal from Omni for trading on Friday, and we will definitely sell the rallies if you're trading Russell, NASDAQ, S&P. And there's another thing. Traders, a bunch of my Omniacs had asked me to cover this market, so I will. And they asked me, Oscar, what do you think about gold? And last time I showed it to you, I said I think gold is in a funk. I don't love it to death. I think it's in a funk. And I think there's a possibility it can start to come down a little, but I don't hate it, I don't love it, it's in a funk. Well, that was a week ago. Now, I've brought it back to your attention. It fell out of this channel, and we've got a red Omni, sell signal. So, I'm not loving gold for trading on Friday, nor the indices, at least to start off the trading session. Traders, join me at livewithoscar.com. It's absolutely free. Now, let's get back to what we did in the video 2 nights ago. I asked so many of you to decide whether or not we're going to go through. Look, let's go back to it. Will we go through the double top in NASDAQ, S&P, Russell, or will that transportation average scary look tell us that we're done going up? You're going to answer A or B. Does anyone remember that? Well, many of you answered, and let's go back and I'll show it to you. Many of you answered, and I have to say a couple hundred of you wrote in. 3 of you chose the downside. Everybody else chose B, the upside. 99% of you cats out there said, we're going up, Oscar. We're going up, that's that. And I kind of would have agreed with you until I got my Omni sell signal. Now, with an Omni sell signal, I can't agree with you anymore because I have to follow Omni, and I say whatever Omni says is where we go next. I'm choosing down. I do think that now we're going to see respect paid to that double top. The beauty of how the OMNIX trade is we've got stops in. We put stops in every day before we even enter the trade, so it can only hurt us for 1 day trade. But we are going to sell the rallies based on all the evidence I showed you. We will take one quick look at gold once again. Remember, gold doesn't look any prettier. Traders, if you want to hang out with me and work with me and learn my Omni method, which is Oscar's Market Navigational Indicator, the Omni, go to Omni Bootcamp right now and fill out your applications. I'm holding an Omni camp here in Las Vegas. My last ones were in the Netherlands, and we went down to Australia. I decided I'd stop here in Vegas and do one June 26th through June 29th. It's a Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, held here in my home office. Go to Omni Bootcamp right now. Fill out those applications. I'm only taking a few of you. I'll take all your applications in. I'm only going to qualify a handful of you. Make sure you fill out those applications now at OMNIBootcamp.com. It's for June 26th through 29th. Join me at livewithoscar.com. Leave your comments below once again. Do you think now we're going to start to go down, or are you still firm on B, the market's going up, the stock market? Are you firm on it going up, B, or do you think it's going to go down, A? Vote below. Join me at livewithoscar.com. And then remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com. Fill out your OmniCamp applications and leave your vote below. B, we're going up. A, we're going to respect the double tops and go down.